All right, trying to get this ready to fly. I always tape all these clasps like that with medical tape. Put new screws and nuts. Put Loctite on the blue Loctite. Put little washers in between. And I got double nuts on that one. Loctite. The fuse is pretty beat up. I bought it secondhand. Plane's about 6, 7, 8, 9 years old. I ordered new wings. As you can see, these are pretty beat up. Got a lot of tears in them, a lot of gashes. I, went through it, glued all the seams. Also put hinge tape on the receiver with the plugs, the plugs in. Medical tape there on all the connectors, taped the wires in. Re-glued a lot of the cracks on the fuse. I ordered some new wings, waiting for them to come in. These are pretty beat up. I mean, they got a lot of, got heat bubbles there, and tail's new on it. But hopefully when I get the other wings, it'll look a lot better. I haven't flew it yet. Hopefully maybe fly it today. The weather's in the 30s though, a little cold. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. But it's called a Splendor pattern plane. It's got a E-Flight 50 motor in it. It's like 550, 525, 525. kV. It's got a 60 amp ESC. It's a 6-cell airplane. We'll see how it flies. Hopefully we can do it today. All right.